here. Off ball. No, matter of fact, guys will be the senior. So I want you all to Ace left. Yeah, so Gerardo stay in. We still get the shotgun just like this. Come put up for the game. I don't want to be, if you guys don't listen when I say shotgun, you have to run on the field. Change the formation, people don't run. Quentin, Barner, be ready. You be ready to give Quentin a break. Davis, I might put you in the game if we run a shotgun. I'm going to try to get people out of the game since we always getting dehydrated and falling out. Okay, so we'll start getting other people in the game and let people get a break. But the bottom line is this. If you five don't do your jobs, we're done. Quentin, the first time we go back to pass, move Donovan so he can see me. The first time we go back to pass and you don't step up in here and pick up who you're supposed to pick up, you won't have to worry about being in the, let alone blocking no more. You won't have to worry about touching the ball no more. You understand? Because I don't watch enough of it. So Barner, stay real close because he blocks better than you do.
What? Yes. Yes, please. You need water?
We have here Harris Panther PD champions. First up, we have Jaden Becerra.
Same situation, let's go.
Walking with the Hendrick family.
Let's go, 42 trap. 42 trap. That's you. Right here.
Next we have
You gotta move, Bernard.
Next we have Mary.
Ah! What y'all doing?
You got wind coming at you, so you gotta get this thing right below the middle.
Safe throw.
You know what I mean by off-field shoulder?
If I have to get involved, I'm going to start throwing flags. I'd rather for you guys to take care of it, right? No way, black will talk to black. Ray will talk to red, okay?
We can't get the game started without a chain game. The game cannot start without a chain
You want to
game.
repeat what you said,
We
right?
need three on either side.
Here we go.
Please get a chain game.
Tails, you have one to start.
Good football out
You
here.
like to be first, you said you do the second half. That means you want the ball, right? So, Gray, you like to kick. All right, Gray, come in front of me. Black go in front of them gentlemen there. Mason Jones. Black is one to toss and elected to be first. Gray will be receiving the ball. Gentlemen, shake hands. Come out playing football. Red's going to be white for this game, huh?
Sprint down the field. Don't let nobody run kickoffs back. You don't play hard. You sit. Right here. Let's go. Right here. Bring it in. Right here. Let's go. Play hard on 3. 1, 2, 3. Play hard. Let's go. Kick off. Let's go. Start right now.
Start right now, boys.
We need 2 more for the chain game.
Where are we lining up?
Hey, somebody spray some.
Ball is off. Nice bounce to it. Oh! Almost recovered it. Almost recovered.
Hurry up!
Let's go, line.
Point them out!
Let's go, baby. Come across the box. All right, here you go. Here you go. Donovan, step up a little bit. Here they come, Davis.
Yeah.
We're good, baby. Let's go, baby. You can't chill. I'm being stuck.
Walk to the left.
Oh, toss to number 9 to the outside. Number 9, he's still on his feet. Ran out of bounds.
Let's go now,
$10 red plates. Green sack. Candy sack. $10 red plates. Get your ribs.
blow that up. You gotta move that ball. Keep counting. Pass! Pass! David, you go get him.
I said that boy.
Go get him. Cameron! Who's that? Good job, partner. Let's go back up. Over the guard, over the guard, over the guard. There we go, there we go. Block him, block him. Block, there we go. Silas out here. Come on, let's go. Silas, use your wheel. All the way to Silas.
Warriors.
All the way. Back up a little. Back Come on, David. Fight. Fight. There you go. There you go. Get it up. All right, Simon.
You watching the Fred Camp stuff and all that?
Go get it. Ball, ball, ball. Right back up. Down. Doug, pull that. All the way out. There you go. Right there. Gap up! Hey, this is easy pickings right here. 30, Cameron. Easy pickings. Got it. Go deep. Go to yeah, go to nose. Go.
Offsides and defense.
PI.
Hey, Davis, here they come. Get in there, Army. Go, Barner, go, Barner. I said go. Wait now. Army. You standing straight up.
You saw the game. How do you not know?
Sam. Yep. Right now, camera's going. Coming that way. Camera's coming.
Number 11 keeps the ball. Slowing down by number 3.
Good job. Good job, Cameron.
Loss of about 5.
Get through there. Your first step is forward. You're not standing up.
Tackle by number 9.
Donovan, hey, slide out here. Come out here. Everybody, nope. Yeah. Hey, Beaver, come up, Silas. There you go. Beaver.
Pass. Ooh, interception.
On the first one, you bull rush, right? You stop. Right. This is what you're doing, Sam. You're doing this. Bro, you standing straight up. Don't stand straight up, so you get up people stands and you come forward. You get in there, you come forward, all right? Believe in yourself, all right? But good job, though. That's what I'm talking about. Let's play.
Hops over one. Oh, he turns it around, cuts it up. Number 4 with the initial cruise.
Quarter already? Okay, right? Look at the clock, man. Lift it.
Air route right there.
Okay.
Here it comes with me.
Watch me. Watch me. Watch me. Watch me. Watch me. Watch me.
You need to come back over here for some water and show yourself. You hear me? There you go. Get in there, defense! Kevin. To the house, Kevin. Watch that back across the middle. It's coming to you, bro. To the house, Kevin. To the house, Kevin.
Watch run the other way. Come on, come on. This way. Rap.
slide left, okay? Come on, okay? Get on the slide. Come here. Two bumps and get to the side. Yeah. Can you make a good fake, please?
25.
Fake 40, fake 25. Where they roll past.
Come on, Ramirez.
You're on the ball.
Remember, drift
So
out.
don't jump.
Don't.
You're in the slot. You're off ball.
Can't block him. And you got it.
Two. Just get back here, make the fake and get on back there, throw him the ball. No, it's on one. It's on one. Fake 25. And it should be wide open.
Come on, let's go! Let's go, O-line. Jordan. Watch the ball!
Pass. Oh, he's wide open. Oh, Hurricane. Touchdown. Mr. Mills, I got you. $7 barbecue plates.
Push it. Push it. Go!
Kick is off. Touchdown by number 11. He scrambles. Oh, he finds a breath. Oh, lays the helmet down.
No. Hey, Warrior! 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 Good job, Wayne. I'm excited. Yes, we. Ja.
Watch the ball. When they ball twins, pick up. I don't want nobody to touch you. Draw him off. Go get that quarterback. He better have about 1 second to throw that ball. Go get him. And when you get back there, put something on him. I don't want no glove tap. You understand?
Hey.
Both y'all come straight in and
Watch
get
it.
him.
What's
Go!
Speed on the back up! Back up! Back up! I know that. Back up! Strip the ball! Watch it! Watch it! Watch it! Get away! Get away!
Ball down
Go
on
offense,
39.
come on, let's go! Hustle up! I'm watching you. Perez and Ronaldo, come here. How many times? We come down just a little bit.
Anybody want?
Hey, back up! Okay. You're good. Who is that? Hey, pull the chain, pull it.
Tighten up the chain a little bit.
Come on! Hey, McGuire! Ronaldo! Kabaka, point him out! Watch the quarterback, bro. Get out your head, baby. Go. It's coming, bro. It's coming. Hey, here we go. Stop right there. Leave by your feet. Leave it at your feet. Hurry up, slide in. Warrior! Warrior!
Steps back. Oh, almost picked off.
He's got wiped a little bit of sweat off.
He don't understand.
He had that one right.
He don't understand.
Every time I'm scared.
Not him. As a matter of fact, when we running the ball, I want him. When we run the ball, I want him. And I want him inside. Okay, remember, inside. I want him. You want to let the running backs deal with that end. You understand? So when we pass, we got him. Running backs, we got the end. We're going to put the defensive ends to the running backs. When we run block, wait for him.
If you, all right, we run it to this side.
This is your guy from here on out.
Yeah, I know.
Everybody here understand that? Sure. Hey, you gotta move people. You can't just stand here. Come on. You can't stand here and do that. Do the other teams do that to y'all? They push back.
Altaloma, Orange 12, Upland 0 with the kickoff. Number 5 kicks it off. Ball on the 35-yard line.
Right there in front of you.
Number 1 under the center.
Thank you. Warrior. Control your D, bro. You got him up, Bernardo.
Number 1 under the center. He goes down. That's worked out for the first down. First and 10.
JP, get down. Go! Go! Woo! Let's go! Let's go! All right, boys, just the ball. Just the ball. Hey, good run. Zero, zero. Beaver, Beaver, Beaver.
Rose. 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 Back up. Go, go, go.
Pass to the number 9.
Don't let him out. Don't let him out. Watch that running back.
Beaver! On the rear plates at their snack bar.
Come on. Get up.
Number 11 tries it. He's mailed by Alvarez of the Warriors. Play. Holding against Altaloma.
Third down.
Declined it.
It'll be third down and 15.
I'm sorry, I played.
Watch that. Hey, man. Watch that. Number 11. Go. Go.
Nice hit.
Hey, man. Press him. Don't let him out.
With the ball, 4th down and 15. They elected to punt the ball away. Altaloma with a gentleman
Quinn. Hold him up. Hold him up, Javis. Hold him up, Q. Hold him up. Get in front of him. Let him go. Let him go. Let him go. Back up a little. Back up a little. You're good. Hold to the left. Go, Donovan, go! 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 There you go. Oh!
The one with the quarterback keeper. He's going down the sideline.
Go back up!
Goes out of bounds at the 20.
Everybody else heard them.
First down.
Walk the pass.
Go! Over there. Block.
First and 10.
Yeah, you're good. You're good.
Altaloma with the ball.
Right over his head.
Down.
6 foot, you're 17 tall. You're in. Right there. You're good.
Hey, Donovan, sell it. Don't just stare.
Quarterback back. Gets the snap to him. Got the pass. He dumps it off. He got some blocker in front of him. He loses the going on and
Hey, tell him to stop jogging.
down at the 40.
Quit jogging. Tighten up. 43.
Ready, press.
Lock it like you're supposed to. I need these guards. Double back. Double back. Double back.
Altaloma with the ball. 4th down and about 5. Quarterback under the center. Hands the ball off. Then makes a couple moves. He's not enough for a first down. Cold Gatorade. I only see the older crowd moving. These youngsters don't know nothing about that.
I want you on the side with the tiger from the other side. Right. Cameron, you over here left. All right, over here. You over here left. Okay, we're going 77 cents. The blocker. June. Step up left, get the end. Cameron. Quick. Step up right to get the end. Everybody else know to clamp down, right? Clamp down. Step up right.
Trying to get in there.
One with the ball. Throws it to number 3. Number 3 with a nice catch. That's Kevin Pierce with a nice catch for a 14-yard gain. Talk about number 9.
Block, please. Yeah, left. Right.
Nice pass down the middle for Gator Leeds.
Hey, Jude. Run straight down the middle. Block him. Block him, Jude.
He goes down the sideline. Here's a blocker by number 3. Number 3 with a great block. Number 4 is on the sideline. They got away with one. But,
Good job. Way to go. Good job. It's much easier now. Y'all got to worry about the end, huh? Good job, guys. Good job.
You had to whistle now, and then I. Hey, that's.
First and 10, Upman. Quarterback back. He's just
block.
You got number 9. Well, get in this space. Don't let him go nowhere. I said get in this space. Get up on him. Press him. Press him. Easy now. Don't let him go. Wide open. Wide open. Watch 21. Watch. Oh! You gotta catch that and go with it, cuz. Come on, David.
You're not supposed to be 6 down.
David. Bro, hey, get on the other side of him and get 21. You got right there. You got 21. Move up. Hit him. Don't let him out. David, quarterback, go get him. You and Quentin, get him in. Quentin, move up. Get on the side of him. And go get him. Back up, Donovan. Cameron, get on the other side. Drew, go deep.
with the ball. He has blockers. He's making moves. He's dancing. Ooh, I yard line. Quarterback. He gets the ball. Steps back. Makes a walk down the sideline. Over those for 7. Number 1 back for the snap. Gets the ball, hands it off. Goes up the middle.
I was looking right at that 99. I ain't know right at that. You got sealed inside. What's the time, Rip? Let's go, touchdown! 3 can and move. Right there.
For the ball.
Go get that guy. Run, middle. Hey, come on. Rousey. Out, right there. You got number number 9. Watch it! Watch it! 30. Hey, Roger. Get back over there. Right in. Watch 9 on the screen. You got number 9, Rosa. Davis, cut the slant. No slant.
Throws the ball deep. Number 11 with a nice catch.
Hey, where? Go get it.
On the 30.
Check. Go get it!
The game is over. Good game against both teams who played a good game. Altaloma Warriors 35. Upland Hurricanes 6. Thank you for coming to Paris Field and playing today. Keep it respectful. Have a safe trip home.
Good job, Coach. Good job, guys. Good job. Good job, guys. Good job.
Don't forget to get your $7 red plate on the way out. Don't forget to get your $7 red plate on the way out. It's mandatory. It's mandatory that every player is getting a red plate today. Thank you.
Hey, good job, Isaiah. Doing really well today. Online, y'all trying to block the really good in the second half. Very good. Y'all can get body on. It looked like we played a little bit harder. We got to keep building on this, and we got to get better and better and better. Let's put out these things. All right, it looked like we went about 80% today. We still ain't at 100%. Let's get up to 100, 110%. We got to keep blocking. Offensive line. I see it halftime when I told you what to do. You start doing it. Maybe that's our fault. Now I know you can block. Now there's no more excuses, all right? It's a great game. I mean, we kind of eased up in the second half, but I really don't have no problem. Can we please have everybody to practice too? Practice. All right. Who's not coming? That means everybody gonna be here. I need to get you in game shape. That means you gotta be there every day. All right? Puffing and puffing out there, all right? I need to get you in game shape. Good job, everybody. Look, great game. Everybody be there Tuesday. We gotta go hard again Tuesday. All right, we gotta go hard. Better blocking, better tackling. Still gotta tackle, all right? All right, great game. Anybody else? All right, let's go right here. I'm gonna let y'all see Warriors House going since you know. On 3 Warriors House, and I want to hear it loud and clear. 1, 2, 3. Warriors House!